So hey everyone, this is going to be the last video in the beginner series. I don't know what to say. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah, I mean, like certain things need to come to an end at some point of time. So this look is slightly on the funkier side and the colorful side, and if that's something that you guys are interested in, make sure you watch this video. And before you forget, make sure you check out my Instagram channel at NextDoorDiva and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video after you finish watching it, and subscribe to my channel. That's it. So without any further ado, let's get ahead with our tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna quickly move on to what everyone's waiting for, which is the eyes, and I'm gonna use the Tan Beauty This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. And this palette has like these three really good like shimmery pops of color. So I'm wondering which color to go in for, and I know that a lot of you love purple looks. I think purple is kind of like a very easy go-to color if you're like new to the entire colorful eyeshadow. So I'm going to use a pack 41 brush. So I'm just using this color Bed of Roses on my crease. So I'm trying to keep this look super easy, and we're going to move on to the shimmer part right away. So we're going to take this shade here called Wild Love. So I'm just using a little bit of purple, and I'm going to start applying it on my lid. Just like press the color inside. Don't like rub and don't blend or anything as such. First you just like work on applying the color on your lid. So you take the color up all the way to your crease and cover up your entire lid. Don't be scared, just go about with it and it'll work out. Just like buffing out the edges using the shade Smoke. If you want to make it more intense, you can use more and more of Smoke, because that's like the dark tone which is there. So it depends on your liking. So I'm just going to add a little bit of color to my lower lash line. I'm using the shade Smoke. I'm going to use the shade Coal, and I'm going to slightly add it in my outer corner, and I'm going to blend it into the purple. I just want like a little bit of depth, that's it. I'm not going to go in for a lot of black. I want the purple to be, you know, like the star of the entire look. So I'm just using the shade here called Highlight to highlight. Wow, okay. I'm going to use the same one to highlight my inner corner as well. So I'm done with the entire eyeshadow part, and I'm going to move on to liner. I'm going to use the Faces Magnet Eyes liner. My liner is in a really bad condition. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of liner. Nothing too fancy. I'm just trying to go like super close to my lash line. So I'm going to use the Kiko Milano Luxurious Lashes-maxi-brush-mascara, and this has got a huge brush actually. I'm just adding a light coat of mascara to my lashes. So make sure you don't forget to add mascara to your lower lash line. I can't stress on this enough, but you need to add mascara to your lower lash line. So I'm done with adding my lashes, and I use the pack lash glue. I love this one right now. So I'm going to go in for something which is again a little on the popping side. So this is the K Beauty Matinee Lip Crayon. I think I'm saying the name right. I'm not going to be adding a lot of it because it's too pink. So I'm just going to go about with for a very slight subtle type of, you know, like a wash of color. I didn't want a lot of lipsticks. I went in for a very light coat and I smudged it with my finger. Completes the look, and we're done with the entire beginner series. I really love doing this entire series. You know, it was so much fun, and I think it was also like really helpful for certain people who are like really into makeup. So I think this was kind of like a fun series to do. Maybe I'll do this again some other time with some more looks and some different concepts. So if you like the entire series and you found it helpful, what are you waiting for? Just give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and that would mean a lot to me. And you guys can stay tuned to my channel too. I'll catch up with you guys for another one. Until next time, bye.